Hi, to enable and disable Bluetooth on the iPhone 13, we have several ways. The first one, you can simply swipe down from the Operate Connected Trigger Control Center, go in this first hard tab, and here press this section and you'll see the Bluetooth. If it's light up blue, then it is enabled. If you tap this icon, it will be not connected, so it would be temporarily disabled. You can also press and hold it and check your paired devices, connected devices, and go in the Bluetooth settings. So the second way, you can simply go in the settings, select the Bluetooth, and here it is enabled now. So to disable it at all, we would need to tap on the switcher like that, and now it is disabled. Let's check it in the control center. Yes, and now we can see here this off information, which means that the Bluetooth is disabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.